We've also been hearing from Shandana Khan, who is Pakistan's former Federal Parliamentary Secretary for Commerce. She's also a member of the National Assembly. She told us that the arrest hasn't come as any surprise.
I can't say we're shocked because this has been in the pipeline for many months now, nearly a year. When they failed in the attempts to martyr him, and there were many of them. 2 of them are recorded now for public consumption. He was shot in the leg 4 times. They tried to arrest him and murder him, alternatively, whichever was easier, on the 18th of March. If you'll recall, earlier this year, last year as well, his helicopter had an accidental breakdown. His pilot driving a Cessna plane also had a mysterious heart attack. His pilot jeep caught fire on his way back from Peshawar. So this is not new, the attempts to kill him. Now, that is the interesting part. If the man has committed an alleged crime, we do not kill people for that. We try them. Currently, he's been indicted for 144 crimes he hasn't committed. Each one of these crimes is linked to the attempt by the 3 ruling families in Pakistan, the Fazlur Rahmans, the Asif Zardaris, which is the People Party, the PMLN, which is the Sharifs, all 3 incredibly corrupt. And they know that at this point in time, Pakistan is going through an existential crisis. People do not believe in rules by family, do not believe in dynasties anymore. And so since they cannot get rid of his message of independence and voting for your leader, they've been trying to either murder him or get him arrested.